Let's create our first expression in After Effects today. So we need a layer to work on. So we can grab, for instance, the rectangle tool on the top here, and we can draw our first layer. Now we go down to the timeline, and we look for the transform and the position property. We want to apply an expression to this position property. So we need to press the Alt key on the keyboard and then click at the same time on the stopwatch on the left here. This text box will appear on the right, and we can get rid of this text and we can write here our first expression. Let's use the wiggle expression, which is an expression which allows us to move randomly on the composition this rectangle. So let's write wiggle, then open parenthesis, and then the first parameter is the frequency. The higher this number, the faster the movement will be. Let's use 5 for our first try. And then the second parameter is the amplitude. So how many pixels this rectangle will wiggle, will move. So let's use 200. Then we click out of the text box and we can hit the spacebar to play the preview. And here we go, we have created our first expression.